Hello students, welcome to our maths class. Unit 10, tenths and hundredths. In our previous video, we have solved some of the sums related to convert rupees into paise. I have also given you some of the homework. I hope you all have completed the homework. Now today, we will start solving the exercise given on page number 143, which is practice time. It is written as practice time as the exercise. Now what is there in the question? We will read the question first. Money from different countries. You know students, in our country the currency is rupees. Similarly, different countries of the world, their currencies are different. They are having different currencies. Have you seen any notes or coin used in any other country? Shivam Bank has a chart. This is Shivam Bank. The name of the bank is given. Shivam Bank has a chart to show us how many Indian rupees we can get when we exchange the money of different countries. Students, if we have seen, every country have a different currency and the rate of the currency is different of every country. In some country, the rupees, 1 rupee, if other countries, if their country's currency is higher, then if we get one currency of that country, for example, if we get about the USA, if they had dollar, so the cost of USA dollar, it is that USA dollar, if they are having $1, if we get $1 and if we exchange that $1 to Indian rupee, we will get 65.29 rupees. So the dollar rate of the dollar is very high in comparative to rupees, and if we give 65.29 rupees in exchange, then we will get only $1. Similarly, every country has a different currency and the rate of currency is also different. So let's see here what is the currency rate changes every day. The rate of currency changes every day. Sometimes it goes higher and sometimes it goes down. If you can see in the newspaper, or if you can see on the internet, or you can see on the news, you always get the currency of some of the big super countries about that. For example, you can get the currency of euro, then dollar, then we can also get the currency of pound. This currency's rate we can get in our newspaper, or we can search wherever we want to go to the country. For example, if I want to go to USA, so first of all I will think that how much is the cost of the dollar there, how much is the rate of the dollar, then how much amount I am supposed to exchange to that to get my rupees converted into that dollar. Because in other countries, wherever you can go in other countries, for that country first of all we are supposed to exchange our money, because our money rupees, here in our country we are having the currency rupee. Our rupee will be useless in their country. So if we want to go any other country, then we are supposed to first of all exchange our money currency. We can see Korea, the money there is won. Change into Indian rupees. If we change in Indian rupees, it will 0.06. 1 won will give us 0.06 Indian rupees. Sri Lanka, again rupee, but Sri Lankan rupee it is called, 0.43. Nepal, rupee, 0.62. Hong Kong, there is again dollar, but Hong Kong dollar. If we exchange it, we will get 8 rupees and 48.40. If 1 Hong Kong dollar is changed in Indian rupees, we can get 8.50 rupees. South Africa, it is rand, which gives us 4.80. China, yuan, 9.83. UAE, United States Emirates, Arab Emirates, their dirham, 17.79 rupee. If 1 dirham gives us 17.79. USA dollar, 65.29 rupees. Germany, euro 76.83 rupees, and England, pound 86.63 rupees. This rate is of 2017. So right now the rate will be very much of different from the given rates. Understood, students? Now according to the chart, there are some of the sums are given to us. Now let's solve the sums in the notebook. Okay, these sums we will solve in the notebook. First of all, we will read one by one. I will read question number 1 it is, and the first question here is given: the money of which country will cost the most in Indian rupee? The money of which country will cost the more in the Indian rupee? So which money is then the more in the Indian rupee? It is England, isn't it? What is the cost of England? It is 86.63. How much it is that? 86.63. Okay, so what we are supposed to write down? First of all, we'll write down, give the heading, practice time. There is no need to take a new page. In the notebook, you can continue below where you have done the homework. Practice time. Write down the page number 143. Okay. Now, answer of A. There is no need to write down the question. What is the answer? The money of which country will cost the most in Indian rupees? The money of England, which is in bracket we can write in pound. The currency is pound, will cost the most in Indian rupees. Okay, now question number 2. Mithun's uncle in America had sent him 10 USA dollars. Mithun is one name of a boy. His uncle is in America. He has sent him 10 USA dollars as a gift. But as a gift, he has given 10 USA dollars. Mithun used 350 rupees for the school trip. How much money has left with him? 10 USA dollar he has given. First of all, we are supposed to convert this 10 USA dollar into Indian rupees. Out of that Indian rupees, Mithun has spent 350 rupees. Now we are supposed to see how much amount is left with him. Okay, let's solve B. First of all, we will write amount money sent by Mithun's uncle from USA is equals to how much? $10. USA is dollar, isn't it? So then dollar. $10. Now how much Indian rupee? So now we will have 10 amount change in Indian rupees. Money change in Indian rupees is, we'll write down money change in Indian rupee P. First of all, we'll write down $1 is equals to how much? $1 is equals to 65.29 rupees. Okay, money change in Indian rupees is equals to 10 multiplied by 65.29. 10 multiplied by 65.29. When we multiply this, so directly we can do, the point will move one digit this side. So what amount he will get? He will get 652.9. That is rupees 652.90 paisa. 652.90 paisa he will get. Okay. Then this amount he will get in Indian rupees. Then what is the next question? It is what they asked. It was that Mithun used 350 rupees for a school trip. Now money used by Mithun is equals to rupees 350. Money left with him is equals to 652.9 minus 350. Now let's do the calculation, students. 652.9 minus 350. Here 350 is there, nothing is there, so I after point I will put a 0, so it will be easy for us for calculation. 9 minus 0, 9. 5 minus 2 minus 0, 2. 5 minus 5, 0. 6 minus 3, 3. So how much amount is left with him? 300 rupees. 302 rupees and 90 paisa. So what we will write down here? Money left with him is equals to rupees 302.9. Understood, students? So how much money was left with him? So in statement we will write rupees 309.9 is left with Mithun. Is left with Mithun. Now let's see the next question. Majid's father is working in UAE. He get 100 dirham as salary. Arun's father, who is working in Sri Lanka, gets 2000 Sri Lankan rupees. Who get more Indian rupee as salary? Okay, Majid. Now first of all, what we are supposed to do, both the countries are different. First of all, we will convert their salary into Indian rupees. Okay, now let's see. See, Majid we will write Majid's father's salary in UAE is equals to 1000 dirham. Money in Indian rupees is equals to 1000 multiplied by, what was the amount in dirham? UAE dirham 17.79. 17.79. Okay, now directly how we can do? I will show it directly. How many zeros are there? 1, 2 and 3. This point we will move 1, 2 and 3 digit towards the right, isn't it? So it will be 1, 2 and 3. The answer will be 17,17790. How much it is? 17,790 rupees. So Majid's father's salary in India is 17,790. Now, other one was Arun. In where his father is working? Sri Lanka. Is equals to how much was 2,000 Sri Lankan rupees. Okay, short form I have written 3,200 rupees. Now money in Indian rupee is equals to 2,000 multiplied by what is the cost of Sri Lankan rupees? See, Sri Lankan rupees is 0.43, means less than 1 rupee. Here if we go here, the rupees is less. Our amount rupees value is more in compared to the Sri Lankan rupees. So it is 0.43. Now what to do? First of all, we will multiply 2,000 0.43 multiply, we will see the multiply 2,000 multiply by 0.43. How can we multiply? First of all, it is just see first off. We will get factors. Okay, 2,000 is here. So 1,000. First of all, we will remove the point 1, 2, and 3 digit. So it will be, or we can directly multiply it. I will show you this what we are supposed to do. See, 2,000 is equals to, let's see, I will do 2,000 is equals to, if you see the factor, 1,000 into 2. So 1,000 is there. So we can move the point. Remove the point. It will be moving the point 0.43. 1, 2, and 3. So it is 430. 430 multiplied by 2. Remaining 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. So what will the answer? 860 rupees, isn't it? So it is, the cost is 860 rupees. Now what is the question was that whose father salary is more? Now whose father salary is more? Who gets more Indian rupee as salary? So we will write down Majid's father gets more salary in Indian rupee. Indian rupees. Understood, students? So this you are supposed to write down in your notebook. If you are not having your notebook, then you can write down this in your rough notebook and later you can copy it down in your notebook. Understood, students?